Namaste, welcome to Paru Yoga. I am Paru. Let us practice yoga for back pain relief. For more yoga and workouts, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Back pain is quite common to almost all and may occur due to several reasons like sitting on a same position for a long time, lifting heavy loads, daily activities, etc. Back pain is one of my best friends and has been with me since my teenage. I recommend you not to sit for a long time. Stretch your body quite often after 20 to 30 minutes. If you are sitting in a chair and walk around. I hope these poses will help you and practice these every day for maximum benefits. So let me show you what I do each day for back pain relief. Let's practice together. Inhale, gently raise your both hands and send them to lay next to your ear. Your stomach is pulled in and upper body is stressed. Inhale to gently raise your hands and lay them next to your body. Exhale to release. You may do this for 5 to 6 rounds. Cat to cow pose. Now be on your knees and hands are directly under the shoulders. Inhale, come to the neutral, and exhale, go to the cat pose. And inhale, go to the cow pose. Do this for a couple of more times. Camel pose. Kneel down, your back is straight. Slowly send your right hand back to catch the heels and left hand follows. Chest opens up, you are facing to the ceiling. Exhale to release. If you cannot, then you may go back as much as you can. You may bend halfway if you can't do the camel pose as shown. Hold for few seconds. Breathing is normal and exhale to release. Salavasana, you are laying on your stomach. Place your hands under the thighs. Chin stays on the mat. Inhale to gently raise your right leg. Hold for few seconds. Breathing is normal and exhale to release. Next, raise your left leg. Hold for few seconds. Entire body is stressed. Exhale to release. Lie down on your stomach. Hands are stretched to the front. Chin touches the mat. Legs are spread. Entire body is stretched. Inhale and exhale. Inhale to place your left palm on the lower back. And slowly raise your right hand, head and the left leg. You are gazing forward. The right hand and the left leg are raised at the same level. Hold for few seconds. Your left palm, send it back. And exhale to lower down your hands, leg and head. You may do this for 4 to 6 rounds. Rest and relax. Feel the sensations running around. Rest. You are laying on your stomach. Hands are at the sides. Your face lies on the mat to one side. Close your eyes. Rest and relax. You may face next side as well. Your hands are at the front and legs are spread. Inhale to slowly raise your upper body. Hands and legs are on the same level. Entire body is stretched. Stay here for 5 to 6 breaths. Exhale to slowly lower down your upper body, hands and legs. Rest and relax. Feel the sensations running around. Once more. Exhale to slowly lower down. Repeat this for 4 rounds. Rest. You are laying on your stomach. Close your eyes. Rest and relax. Lay on your stomach. Legs are spread. Clasp your palms on your back. Inhale and gently raise your upper body. Your hands are stretched. Breathing is normal. Hold for few seconds. Feel the stretches along your upper body. Exhale to lower your hands and release. Rest and relax. Feel the sensations running around. Once more. Exhale to slowly lower down. Bhujangasana. Lay on your stomach, hands near your chest. Inhale and exhale. Inhale to slowly rise up. Legs are together. Feel the stretches. Exhale to lower down. Spread your legs if you have back pain. Inhale to slowly rise up. Variation of Bhujangasana. While on Bhujangasana, spread your legs. Inhale, up your upper body and exhale, gently twist your upper body to the right to see the heels. Hold. Inhale, come back to the center and rest. Rest and relax. Feel the sensations running around. Feel the gentle pain. Another side. Inhale, lift up, exhale to the left. See the heels and hold. Inhale and come back to the center. Exhale, slowly release. Do this for 4 to 6 times. You may place your chin on your palms to be in Makarasana and find gentle motion on both legs. Fold them back together and release, or alternately fold them and release. Dhanurasana or bow pose. You are laying on your stomach. Grab your legs. Inhale and pull them towards the body. Raise your upper body slowly. Keep breathing. Your entire body is stretched. Hold for a few seconds. And exhale to lower down gently. Release and relax. You may repeat this couple of times. Lie down on your back. Inhale, knees are folded. Exhale, spread your hands. Inhale and exhale to send your both knees to the right. Left leg is on top of the right. You are facing to the left. Keep breathing. Your entire body is stretched and does not leave the floor. Hold for a few seconds. Feel the stretches on your back. Inhale, come to the center and to the next side. You may do this for 4 to 6 rounds. A variation. Inhale and exhale. Send your both knees to the right. Legs are apart. You are facing to the left. Your entire body is stretched and does not leave the floor. Hold for a few seconds. Feel the stretches on your back. Inhale, come to the center and to the next side. You may do this for 4 to 6 rounds. Hands are spread wide. Face your feet forward. Inhale to slowly send your right leg to the left. Grab it with your left hand. You are facing to the right. Feel the stretches in your entire body and hold for a few seconds.
and hold for 4 to 6 breaths. Breathing is normal. If you are unable to touch toes, you may halfway. Inhale, send your legs back in the way how you came before. Exhale to release hands and legs. Do the same for another side. Hold for few seconds. Feel the stretches on your back. Inhale, send your legs back in the way how you came before. Exhale to release hands and legs. You may do this for 4 to 6 rounds. Let's end today's session by relaxing actively, being in Savasana. Lay on your back. Spread your hands, close your eyes, let go all of your pain, emotions. Rest and relax. Feel the sensations running around your body. Tiny drops of sweat, hair being pulled, your heartbeat. You may notice them all. Let go all of your thoughts, how they come and go. Be a neutral observer. You may stay here for a couple of minutes to half an hour. Thank you so much. I hope you joined me in this practice. How does your back feel now? Please comment below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Be healthy and happy. Namaste.